Hi guys, I hope you can all see and hear me. If you can see and hear me, just actually type it in the comment box. I'm just checking on my other device. Okay, I think the audio is clear, video is through. I can see it on my other device. Okay, guys, welcome to Swing Trading Ideas. I know I had stopped this for some time because of my other commitments. I was not able to be online. But anyway, I'm actually getting started again, and I'll try to ensure that this is going to happen more on a consistent basis. So let's actually see how actually things are and what is that we have to have. So let's start with the rules as we always do it. Guys, all the trading ideas are based on technical records, but it's always advised that you need to make your own analysis before doing any trading or investing. All the trading ideas would always have a specific stop loss and targets. It's very important for you to get out whenever any of them are reached. Please trade with the amount of money you can afford to lose. Don't put all the money in one stock, so that don't try to gamble with that. So some trades is going to work fine, some of them going to hit the stop loss. You need to be aware of that. I always give you at least 5 to 10 stocks, sorry, at least the 4 to 5 stocks, so that you are able to diversify your portfolio. I'm not charging anything for this, guys. This is a giveaway week. I have my birthday this weekend, and I want to give out as much as possible to charity, and I want you to earn as much money as possible. So I'm trying to do what best I can do. Stay tuned till the end. I have something very important about paper performance. I have something for the day traders, something for the swing traders, as well as something for the investors. So stay tuned. I have something very important to share with you. Okay, so the thing is, guys, at least pay out 10% of this to charity. More you give, more you get. So that's the whole idea, guys, because my vision is to ensure that I create world's largest giver community where people can give out a lot and be benefited by that also. So all these are purely for educational purposes. If you are doing any investments or trading, it is purely at your own risk and at your own discretion, guys. So let's start. So today the stocks which I am actually looking at is Cipla. I'm looking at buying at 771 to 773. This is the price at which I'll be looking at buying. 768, which is our day low at this point of time, is going to be our stop loss, and the target we are looking at 780, 790, 800. These are the places where there is a high probability that it can move. Once it can cross 800 and hold on to that, I think Cipla has a very high potential to move ahead. It has been lackluster for quite some time, but now if it can start moving higher, it has a lot of potential. Ambuja Cement today has made the 52-week high, and now there's no resistance. To be very honest, there's no resistance for this. So if we can get this at 300, 301, I think it's a good buy, and 297, which is I think the day low. If not the day low, also 297 is a good stop loss for us because we need the momentum to continue. Shouldn't actually start going down now. So as long as the momentum is going to continue, 305, 310, 320 is quite possible. See, as I said, there's no resistance at this point of time. So as long as we don't get a fresh selling pressure, I think it should start moving quite higher from here. The next thing is about Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank, we are looking at 358 to 360. This is the place which we will be looking at buying. 353 should be our stop loss, and 365, 370, 380 are the levels which we are looking at. And the next thing is to do with Tata Motors. 307 to 308 will be the buying levels. 305 will be the stop loss. 310, 315, 320 will be the levels. So, Tata Motors, what I can see is in the range of 300 to 350. Once it can cross this 350, I think it has a much higher potential to move higher. A final stop for today is going to be Punjab National Bank. 383, 38.3 to 38.5 could be the levels at which you can buy. 38.2 is actually the stop loss, and 39.2, 39.5, 40 are the levels which we are looking for. So these are the levels which you are looking for, guys. Okay, Sanidhya is asking about IDFC First Bank. See, right now, today the case of moratorium has come, and because of that, I think after that, banks have started doing good. Overall, I think most of the banks should actually turn out to do better. So I have not been tracking specifically IDFC Bank. I cannot tell you on that, but overall what I see is overall the banks should actually perform much better. That's what I can tell you at this point of time. Okay, few things which I want to actually share with you guys. Every day for this whole week, I'll be doing some webinars. So stay tuned and be there at the evening 8 o'clock. I think you will be able to get a lot of benefit with that, because I'll be sharing with you some very, very unique topics, and you can actually make a lot of money. You will be getting a very big new perspective out of this. Along with that, as I have been telling you, this weekend is my birthday and I want to give out as much as possible. I'm starting something very new, which is actually called a pay per performance. So you going to pay only when I perform. So this is a very unique thing which I am actually going to get started. For this week, the entire thing is going to be completely free. See, the whole thing is this: you're going to pay only if you make profit. If you're not making profit, you're not paying. So I think nobody has any problem with that. So everybody wants to, and if I want to make more money, I have to ensure you make more profits. So that's the whole model on which I'll be actually working on. So what is this and how does this work? See, there are three different category of people whom I'm actually going to cater to. First category of people are day traders, who have a capital capacity of somewhere around 20,000 rupees. I'll be mainly giving you, sorry guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to mainly help them specifically with the index. I'm not going to get into all the stocks. It's not going to be practically possible. But I'll be actually helping you with some very, very powerful details which can actually really help you, the levels at which you can enter, where actually I'll also be warning you, if the volumes are less, probably it will be more of a range bound kind of a thing, so that you can actually size your trade accordingly and trade properly. And if there's a trending day, the volumes are higher, I would actually be giving you a very, very powerful information which can really help you to understand and actually make a good amount of money. So that is one thing. Sanidhya, I'll not be actually giving any comment on any other stocks. Whatever I have done the analysis, I'm going to only talk on that. So let's actually get into this. So this is for day traders, guys. So you will be mainly benefited in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I'll be giving you the levels. I'll be also giving you a lot of information which will help you to size your portfolio. You will know who is having the strength for that particular day. Based on that, you can actually look at either buy on dips or sell on rallies. How you can actually do easily 50 100 points is easily possible, especially in Nifty. 50 points on Nifty is very easily possible. 100 points on a bank Nifty is easily possible. And if you can actually day trade, and if you are looking at this, you can actually make a lot of money. So ideally, this is one opportunity. Second thing is for swing traders. I'm already doing the swing trading ideas. You might, many of you might be actually making a good profits with this. Now I will be also doing something specifically. See, here I come only in the afternoon and give you. Many times I will actually probably able to give you the prices at much before time. At ideal time, I can actually help you out with taking the exit also, where to take the profits, how much sizing has to be done, and when you should get aggressive, when you should actually increase your positions. All those things is something which I'll be helping people. So this is the capital required here is 1 lakh rupees. The third category of people are investors, where I am looking at people who are ready to invest above 5 lakhs and above. I'll be helping them with option selling. So I'll be actually conducting these webinars where I'll be sharing with you something on the option selling. They'll be benefited in two ways. One is they're going to benefit it because I'll be telling them the stocks which they can buy, and then we will take a margin on those stocks. And after taking the margin on those stocks, we will be doing something called as option selling, and with that you will be able to make dual benefit. You will make money, one with the stocks. So whatever benefit you get because of the stocks, whether it is bonus, dividend, about the capital appreciation, all the things you will get benefited. Plus on top of that, you will also benefit like a rental income through options. And another thing is, if you already have a portfolio also, we can just use that portfolio, and we can actually pledge those shares and also do this. I'll be sharing a lot more information in the evening sessions, so stay tuned at 8 o'clock. I'll actually be sharing with you. Now, how do you avail this? How can you make availability? How can you actually get benefited with all these things? How can you take advantage of this? So let me actually share with you something what you need to do. You need to send me a message. So what is the message you need to send me? Where should you send this message? Let me actually share you this, guys. 1 minute. So you need to send me a message here, guys. So what you will do is, you will message something like free trial, and then mention either day trading, or let me just share this. Swing invest. So any of these things you will be actually mentioning, guys. So this is the link. Just go to bit.ly/askshri, and you can actually send a message to me, free trial, day, or swing, or invest, any of these things. Just actually mention this. Let me just make it a little smaller. Okay, this is what you need to do, guys. Just go ahead and do this. And for all of you who are doing this, I'll start actually sharing with you something very important which can help you. This week, everything is going to be free. After that, see, I want, you are paying only on performance, but it will be prepaid basis, guys. It's not going to be postpaid. But I want to get a commitment from people who are very serious. So you will have a small fee of 499 or 999, which you will pay, and then you will start getting all the information. For this week, I'll not charge that also. It will be completely free. Go ahead and do this. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the evening.